Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the sweet friends are good and healthy. God bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, friends, for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see, friends, in this video I am providing you gorgeous and trendy amazing summer dresses, long tops ideas. It's amazing ideas, most trendy color combinations. So please don't skip this video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and useful, especially for crochet items lovers and handmade item lovers, because it's totally handmade tops. So viewers, share this video with your family and friends who want these type of beautiful crochet top ideas. I really hope that they will love this amazing collection. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs. You can must apply these most amazing designs on your crochet dresses, crochet top, for more beautiful and classical look. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet items. So friends, if you all love these articles and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. When you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me friends and remember me in your precious prayers. Okay my lovely friends, see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.